least say you're alright, bro. You good?
I'm good. Fuck.
Airbag vest go off?
Hold on. Huh?
Airbag vest go off?
Yeah.
Alright, chill out. Just lift for a minute.
No, I'm straight. Oh.
That's a good one, bro.
Fuck.
That was a good one.
I know, fucking ditch, that's why.
No, just look at that mark you put down. That was a good one.
Fuck me.
Oh, shit. You had me something.
Yeah, you using gas?
It's water. It looks like. There's your headlight.
Oh.
Radiator looks fine.
Oh. Fuck, man, that's fucking embarrassing.
Oh, bro, it happens to all of us. Bike turned itself off for you.
Oh, no, I turned it off.
Oh, I was like, bike turned itself off for you. You ain't got no brakes, though. And that, them pretty little bars you got from Woodcraft, they're bent too, bro.
You know what that was? That was some ego riding right there.
Oh, you good, bro. We was both pushing a little bit.
Fuck.
Put some Michelins on, bro.
God damn, that's embarrassing. Fuck, man. Well, not embarrassing. I ain't worried about this shit. It's just...
You ain't gonna get no shit from me, dog. It happens. It happens.
This is like the worst place to crash, too. Damn, only thing that hurts is my finger. But it's only jammed, it's not broken.
Take care of that for you.
Fuck. Well.
You good, man?
Yeah, I'm good.
Good?
Pride hurts more than anything. Fucking jammed a finger.
Oh. You don't need to take your ring?
Yeah, I probably do. Good thinking.
So you got winner for the coolest crash I've ever seen.
Yeah, man, I was...
The bike slide out, then I watched you kind of hang on for a second, and then you kind of let go, and then the bike went, and then you turned around somehow, and you was looking at me. I was like, damn. And then I literally saw your body fucking do a hop off of the hill right here. I was like, oh shit.
Man, I got lucky. Airbag vest.
Yeah, I see what.
I was like, shit, my body's tight. My body's tight. Oh, that's the airbag. All right, at least I be able to think about it.
It's a good thing you're okay.
Yeah, I'm really good.
What happened?
I probably came in too tight.
We were coming through, man, and it was just like,
Too much.
it's like he came in too tight, and to stay with the apex, kind of put too much lean on it, and it just, more like the front gave out. And it probably did. Look at that.
Thanks for watching this far. If you want to know what really happened, I'm breaking the whole thing down over in this video below. See you there.